Nkole Media TV twakwakira webale kutukunda mazima ijuka kutusubscribinga ate otsharinge otworeke rukundo amazina ndi Joanna na Tayisa omujenyi atogwo mujenyi leka atweyanjure atugambire amazina nebyakora tweyongereyo omujenyi nakwakira amazina gawe
nye nakira madam amazina nbanyeta Baguma Arnold kandi filmmaker na nomuchi association ya UFPA and vice president at the same time and photographer
oliyo mutezi webishani
bikora ni byinji mbwene. I'm a writer and again I'm a film producer, editor, byona mbwene byona nimbyekora.
Okay. Koriyo wamani. Okay, ori no rugankahi
Indigibanda.
Orienzarwa yibanda.
Kazarwa ibanda.
Okay. Omufilmu wamara mu bwireki.
Film industry kajoininga 2015. Then in 2016 hona kwasire project yanje yo kubanza. Then ikaba viral by the way.
How was Joan omuntu wo munda ekaba negamba ari cye kaba nekwatari cye
Joan omuntu wo munda ekere film ya yokushanga kuboyinenga sister wawe ukamutaya iso wawe then akahendera tiro mushija wawe ko yabe mikora. So Joan ejo kuza kujiyaho actually na hati ntega tinga jiro that story is still trending.
Okay, oine stories zinga iso fazi wakozire oba film zinga?
So far I have around 7 projects already, then ezindi ibiri zikiri mu archive tizakashohuri.
Okay, film wajimara mu bwireki
kandi nakujanga katanika 2015. So far those are 9 years. 9 years in film industry.
Okay, kwa wajimara mu bwire buringwa. Hati nkiwo mukozi wa film ari kuruga ibanda. Ni challenges ki film oba umukozi wa film zo kushango?
Of course twena abakozi ba film I think challenges zona zishana ziriya marketing. Kora film ninjikora ushango umwe ntenda tukuzerebera mu kayitu. Just marketing kushanga ngo wahikombantu bakureba bakumanya, that is a challenge. Kandi babahirize kumanya of course no waraba, but before that no bakora film uteka mu sente zawe nyinji konka kuzaza kushiko marketing ushanga marketing strategy inenche ningashi ushanga sente zo kongera mu marketing utazine. That is the challenge we have. Omufilm omu oba nkiwo mukozi wa film nkomurimo because that film ekabo murimo nkako kuchero ukigura office ningo kigure eduka lya cyakara na film nikwe kukora. Iwe nkomukozi wa film noreba film eji ogifunire mu birungi ki? Film ibintu bingi. Film kutaza kujango nicecho hiro mu film ngirema abanywani. Ngirema abanywani ngirema connection zizu kubasa kumpisana hare nore ya UCC zo mu Uganda Federation of Movie Industry ogendo mu UNCC mwenu hono mbitongore byone binaka kwate na film no shanga at least you have their connections. Then noreba again recently in regional festival I got the award for the best TV drama. When noreba ngo nyine binyihiremu.
Wow, oyine na award cyakari.
Award njine. Ya 2024 ninye njine.
Okay, mbweno mfilm iwe toyine cyo kugigamba. Byo ihiremu ne byingi.
Binyiremu ni byingi kungane ki nebinkusubira mu kwihamu byakiriyo tukujanga umazire. Ninkisubira byinye kubyihamu.
Okay. Iwe nkomuzani wa film okatandika watugira 2015. Evaluate je myaka eyakare film ekaberi nkai omu Western Uganda ningashi film zitweze cyaro zive evaluating na hati uzaika
ati naho kamaze correcting okachi nyoti ndo muzano wa film kuyahundu producer.
Okay, iwe nka producer. Evaluate film eji yotire mu sente mu 2015 na film yiwata mu sente in 2023. How is it? Akatare and everything.
Akatare the other time in 2015, I can say the competition was not tight.
Iwe nko mukozi wa film wajiro katandika 2015. Evaluate 2015 film industry kaberieta na 2024 eshahezi omubyentasa hamwe na nokumanywa.
But if I'm to evaluate the film 2015 tukora low budget films. Now in 2024 films are a bit higher. Kuza kushoza film hati shahezi budget ya higuru. Cause hati ya umwanya na nabo yabinatuhereza umwanya gwa busha the other time.
Akamanya value yes.
Akamanya value ya film.
And hariwe ngamba nti money today is better than money tomorrow.
Exactly. Kandi nekindi the other time tukatiriyo murembe gwa CDs tukatukora film tuzeka CDs tujana tuguza CDs right now wako barama kagine decks ni machi. So right now ariho flash
turiya murembe gwa flash
iyo tuzimanye screen social media when there is a bigger difference kuruga 2015 kushika hatiya kandi noreba no mission no kushanga na flash nderekana zo no kushanga zabura vale washanga turiya social media yungu
konka hatenta serieta kuruga 2015 na hati
Entasia 2015 abantu bakaba takuchenga je film. Yes, kunko umuntu ayabira ayenda agitwara ayabira funo muchakari film yaza market akafuna because na value yes indication ya bit low. Right now the moment you are on market of course ne sente ziriho nyinjo kujango hati since the value is negmane huwa value na sente zimanzi is going higher. Chimanyisa kile wabe no guza film the other time akwasa kujuguza katubare 15 this time no juguzengo misha tabo kuba nazo sente nkwezo gumanza zigenda. That's how it is.
Okay. Iwe nkomu kozi wa film ni solution ki zo kureba ezikabire niziyamba film ya western kuzomisho ningashi film at large na Uganda like bona abakozi ba film mu Uganda kubani baganyura mu ningasho mwana kushoma akaza university akashoma film akaheza akatunga umurimo akariya film kako kureba bashawo kuba kutunga sente ninga shikuba kuriya ha murimo gwabo iwe noreba solution kabire ki government kakozire ki film ekabo murimo umwana akatandika kugishoma ku rugo mu primary secondary ari kushoma film na university akashoma film tukabona kuganyuramo
ati actually putting government aside mamba jirango banzo ye yambe government itaka kuyambire iwe nkiyo passion yawe about film wabo ine passion about film no banzo ye yamba ngenko muntu try to start up something jirichi wayitandikiraho then na government if it is to help you na yejirichi yakora yakongera because like right now the other time when I started films when I joined the film industry tukati in a regional film festival by then there was Uganda Film Festival only. Of course the films are nkazitwarayo but of course I couldn't make it. Akwa kani ntandika the print was low kabantine any knowledge about film kunka I didn't give up. Actually it was 2017. Then I got nominated in Nepal International Film Festival. Film
ya Ibanda ekaba nominated Kampala. Wow.
In 2017. When I tanche kureba nti at least I can be someone in future. Nasha wrist was Jan's Awards by the way was kaba once. Jan's Awards why was it 2020 around there. Even my movie got nominated on the regional category in Jan's Awards. It was John the Healer. Kunkate noreba hati tinoho regional film festival. Echimanyisa na government is trying to implement something. The other time tukata kubasa kuzomu Uganda Film Festival kandi na regional film festival ketaro but this time the regional film festival is there. Nagambe nkarga kwangura award, of course award need haka sente, meaning the money you get from the regional festival no basa kukonjera mu film oketungura you as you personally, then ukayamba hona n'abantu abandi kucyanga because film teri y'omuntu nyowe tinkuzana film ya personally kunkani nkoresa abazana abandi bazana film of which nabo nimbanyine ngo kutungura talent yabo kandi bakagaruka bakamanywa through acting
ate bakatunga sente
kandi bakatunga sente exactly bakakora nkomuru. That's how I can answer your question.
Okay. Ekindi film no gireba neza yi omyaki 10. How do you see the film industry in the next 10 years? Ninga shiwe nkomukozi wa film no yereba nkai omyaki 10 eri kwija.
Omyaki 10 eri kwija wareba ngo omyaka mwenda so far. I've been nominated twice kana atwara award. Chimanyisa ngo myaka ikomo misho, obviously I'll be someone else. Basa kushanga myaka ikomo misho basa kubanyinenka company ko employing abakozi around 50 or plus. Abo kwa movie neguma growing to a certain time oshange ngo no basa kurugaho kore shows oyetorode west actually ruga western oshange ngo ine capacity yo kubasa gukora show either national wide okwasa kuza kambura wakora show ya film and then it works oze hona horaze oba west whether east you make a show whatever.
Okay. Obwe watoreka omyaki 10 iwe no yereba otyo. Then how about Uganda? How do you see the film industry in the next 10 years in Uganda?
According to how I'm seeing the things right now, Uganda in the next 10 years, film industry na ineza kubera area higuru. Akwa no shanga but motivating right now, but retera move festival okujangu butiyambo. Actually there is this fund program, UCC funding program yokushanga ngo nokora proposal yawe bakufundinga okora film. Actually there is another proposal ngo budone basa kubeta kabiri implemented yokujangu no basa kushango in a script yawe you go in a bank and they give you a loan to make a film.
Wow.
Of which ikintu ngecyo cyahiza kuba implemented. Of course umukozi wa film takabasa kuba more. I will go with my script, I go to any bank, they give me a loan, I work on my project iza kuselling out, I pay the bank. Chimanyisa ngo bariyo nabo mbareba ngo
there is future. Like take an example of Nigerian film industry kushanga ngo nayo ne according omushore iba kufuna mu ihanga film industry ineshe ko adinga ihanga na Uganda. I think in 10 years we can do like that. Kushanga ngo ni the film industry nayo is it second to oil or second to coffee, second to something eshintu nekutaizi ihanga. Yeah. Okay. Hati ekindi wagambari Nigeria ntureba Nigeria ombintu ebikugitaize sente. The film industry is second. Orugira amajita gabo film industry niyo secondary kubaretera sente. Iwe nkomukozi wa film te investor ano habura ki omunyeto ariokwe ashomere university muri mugwambura ningashi omwana muto ari kwegomba kujoininga film no muhabura ki ogwe omwana ari omukyaro ibanda noreba abana baba bariyoko mukyaro nibenyuma. What advice can you give to that young girl?
Eshinda banze kugambira neki some parents baremesa abana babo kujango bakore sentaranta bakuba bine. So omwana aine talanta nyona kubire ni mwakira nko mu film industry yanje.
Abazire nibateka film no kushishikarira inka music. Mwana anje wakumushisha.
Actually abazire bingi. Mostly waza kubara right now 70% yabazire takwikiriza mwana we kuzo mu film industry because na manyango go yaba yasisikara na yarema. Mostly abana babishi. Kungati nyonkanya kumanya value ya industry, akumanya value ya film. Hati nyogo mwana we unatandikira hansi ubwo nuko banyenda kugira ngo no grooming the way you want him or her to be murebumisha akoresha kuba no yenda aba good actress aba good actor mbwenu nimbani ningambira ubwo we no munyada kwenda kujoininga film industry atakaho mamani kandi na no gaherize university aronzoro mu mugumburire film industry is the way to go. Utakayireba kugira ngo because inevitable in a degree or in a ukateka maybe to basa ku acting wowe ine mu talent and you have that passion okufura mu ndango no basa kuchikora okwefiringa join any group ideni basa kugira hiya kusya then niwe no yongeraho ningano zo mne kusya hiya kusya zo mu group ndizo shanga waba star in such a way no wawayi hayo talent yawe kandi baza no kufuna mu sente ushangene wabo shomere wabiteka aside watwara film industry now as a job ebo abirosomere byakubura mugasho kandi film yaba niyo yakwereza sente.
Okay, abanyibanda baryokwe abariyo nibareba Nkole Media nabanenyenda obakureho abazani bawe ate abantu bagambire na YouTube channel yawe yiba kubasa kufuniraho bakufollow.
My YouTube channel ninda abanza bukuba I will need that following ninkoresa Baguma Arnold. If you search Baguma Arnold or Digital Media Films Uganda nombona na wasachinga Baguma Arnold nombona na wasachinga any title of my film still you get it. Then echinda abantu bibanda nimbashaba abantu with by the way Ivandu mu Western mbahagira film
bakunda film abanyibanda
film ya Western mbagihagira mbagimanya because nindebera shows z'abakoreta mu biteka an example with the Mushanas abantu babahagira meaning the film industry is growing kandi ibanda mbamanye kikumanyisa mwenaho nimbashaba kugira ngo bagumize mu batuhagira abo kwati kugira ngo twakutagira mbatuhagira. Yeah.
Okay, omwami Arnold ninyenda osibure abakutureba
abantu babatureba ningashabarije kutureba bwanyuma wena ntubasima mwongere no kutagira reba turyabana banyu ba Western mugume no muhagire ikintu emifero muzitu muzirebe kandi mutukunde.
Okay, Nkole Media TV mazima we bari mnonga kuba no tureba ijuka talent is gold omuntu wabo ine talent nobo ine zabu embrace your talent omwana mutari yokwe if you have the talent believe in yourself omuzira ryokwe if you know your kid has talent embrace that kid's talent abase kufuna musente turebira tubinja abafunire sente through talent abirusi Nigeria hariyo actress akagurwa mwana weye we myaka 6 yamugurira ka Scotland and I was like what talent yo muntu nebasa kumfunisa sente nkezi so omuzira aliokwe mazima embracing a talent yo mwana aliokwe until next time nasigala ndi Joanna webale kutukunda. God bless you, bye bye.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kaleba. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.